Hi guys, I'm Carrie Wilbanks here in Santo Domingo, the capital of the Dominican Republic and one of the Caribbean's oldest cities. It's also a place where old and new meet seamlessly, and hotels like Casas del XVI follow suit. The hotel is a five-star collection of 5 lovingly restored 16th century casas that each boasts its own courtyard space and comes with a personal butler who is available at the push of the cell phone button you're given at check-in.
The butler experience for us is like the key of our service, because in here what we offer to our customers is privacy, service, and exclusivity, which means that all of our customers, they receive a personal butler service all the time that they've been staying with us, taking care of them on breakfast, lunch, any type of tours, anything.
Although all of the casas share the same colonial meets contemporary design aesthetic, each has distinct features. I decided to stay at Casa del Arbol, which is named for its courtyard's mango tree. And when it comes to the first meal of the day, it's best started with the hotel's classic Dominican breakfast, which is easy to savor in the shaded courtyard. Inside, original marble flooring and local artwork make you feel like you're staying in a museum meets gallery. Each casa stands out in its own way. Casa Antillana pays homage to the West Indies and features a bright tropical design and interior garden bordered with trees. Casa Macquarie stands out with a lounge area and plunge pool that is the place to retreat to escape the heat. Inside, the theme focuses on Dominican folklore and also features eye-catching designs centered around vibrant colors. Cartographers or anyone with an affinity for vintage maps will appreciate the theme and decor of Casas de los Mapas. Guests can also sign up to take a cooking class here.
You can learn how to prepare our special Capri salad with mango from Casa del Arbol and any other of our dishes that we offer. No matter where you are or where you come from, you can discover different cultures through food.
This was easily one of the highlights of my stay. We tried new pairings like mango and mozzarella on the sweet side and fried plantains with shrimp on the savory end. And throughout the evening, we were able to spend time talking with our local hosts between sips of wine. Casas del XVI is in the core of the colonial city. Once here, you will find a collage of different culture and neighborhoods. It's impossible to walk the fabled streets of its capital city without being reminded around every corner that Santo Domingo was founded in the late 15th century. I joined a guided walking tour to see everything from the New World's first hospital and university to the oldest surviving European fortress. Later on, strolling down Calle Las Damas, the first paved road in the Americas, we saw the New World's first cathedral, which was quite a sight. Art can also be spotted throughout the city at places like Quinta Dominica, a cultural center where collections of 16th century paintings surround a courtyard. Visiting its botanical garden without nibbling on fruit from the mango and tamarind trees is considered sacrilegious, so go ahead, sticky fingers can always be cleaned up later. You can also satisfy your sweet tooth at Cacao, Santo Domingo's premier chocolatier. The family-owned farm has been producing cacao for more than 100 years, but the liveliest scene in Zona Colonna is at Park Colon. Here you will discover plenty of souvenir shops selling things like Larimer stones, gems that are found only in the Dominican Republic, and mamajuana, a Dominican-style port. This is also the spot to exchange pesos for a fresh coconut from a street vendor and the place where locals hang out.
The most special thing for me in the colonial city is the small things. Just walking around the colonial city is really an experience.
It's not just colonial architecture that draw people to the heart of the city, but also vibrant nightlife and restaurants like Lulu's Tasting Bar, where tapas are the star of the show. Lulu surprises unsuspecting diners with its globally inspired contemporary menu. Simply relaxing here and sipping on signature cocktails like the Frisky Guava is the perfect grand finale for my trip to this unforgettable island nation.